Imagine a place on Earth so deep it could swallow Mount Everest whole twice. A place where sunlight never reaches, where crushing pressures could turn steel into dust, and where mysterious creatures lurk in total darkness. Sounds like something from a science fiction movie, right? But it's real. Welcome to the Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest and most mysterious place. Today, we are diving into this incredible abyss, exploring its secrets, the dangers, the unknown creatures, and how humans are trying to unlock its mysteries. So, buckle up because what you are about to see will blow your mind. The Mariana Trench is a huge underwater canyon located in the western Pacific Ocean stretching over 2,500 kilometers. That's more than the distance from New York to Los Angeles. It's about 69 kilometers wide and reaches a depth of nearly 11 kilometers. To put that into perspective, Mount Everest stands at 8.8 kilometers tall. If you drop Mount Everest into the Mariana Trench, the peak would still be more than 2 kilometers below the ocean's surface. It's called the trench, but it's more like a vast underwater valley shaped by tectonic plates. It's where the Pacific plate is slowly being pushed under the smaller Mariana plate, a process called subduction. This collision creates one of the most extreme environments on Earth. At the very bottom of the trench is the Challenger Deep, the deepest known spot on the planet. Scientists measure its depth at around 10,984 meters or 36,037 feet. That's nearly 7 miles deep. If you stacked more than 50 Eiffel Towers, one on top of the other, you'd still be a little short of touching the ocean floor. Even with our advanced submarines, reaching this place is extremely difficult. Only a handful of humans have ever been there, including filmmaker James Cameron in 2012, who made the historic solo dive to the bottom. Now, you might be thinking, what happens down there? The answer is terrifying. At the Challenger Deep, the pressure is more than 1,000 times the pressure we feel at sea level. That's the same as having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down at once. Any submarine vehicle or human that's not properly built to withstand this kind of force would be crushed instantly. This extreme pressure also means that water behaves differently down there, and life forms have to adapt in unimaginable ways. No sunlight reaches the bottom of the trench. That means it's pitch dark, a world completely cut off from the surface. In places where sunlight is absent, photosynthesis cannot happen. So there's no plant life, no algae, and no seaweed. Instead, life depends on marine snow, tiny particles of organic matter that drift down from above. Some scientists believe this deep zone could hold clues to how life began on Earth and maybe even how it might survive on other planets. You'd expect this dark, cold, and pressurized world to be lifeless, but that's far from the truth. In fact, the trench is home to some of the most bizarre creatures ever discovered: deep sea amphipods, transparent snailfish, and shrimp like creatures that glow in the dark. Scientists keep finding new species. Many of these animals have adapted to survive in total darkness with soft bodies, slow metabolisms, and unique feeding strategies. Could this strange world teach us how life survives in extreme conditions? Scientists certainly think so. Exploring the Mariana Trench is not just about curiosity, it's about science, discovery, and survival. Researchers are studying how life exists under such intense pressure, how ecosystems form without sunlight, and what new medicines or materials we could discover from deep sea creatures. Exploring these depths could also teach us about climate change, ocean currents, and even earthquake prediction since the trench is a hotspot for tectonic activity. Sending humans or robot to this depth requires incredible technology. Submersibles like the DSV limiting factor, equipped with specially engineered hulls and sensors, allow us to explore this extreme environment. Researchers also use remotely operated vehicles, sonar mapping systems, and deep sea drones to gather data. Every dive takes months of preparation, and the stakes are high, but the rewards could be groundbreaking. Despite all the missions, there's still so much we don't know. Some scientists believe that unknown species, underwater volcanoes, and rare minerals are hidden in the trench's darkness. Others believe it's a key to understanding Earth's geological history and how oceans shapes life. What we know is that the Mariana Trench is one of the last unexplored frontiers, a place that continues to challenge and inspires explorers. So, next time you look at the ocean, remember just beneath its surface lies a world so deep, so alien, that it defies everything we thought we knew about life and survival. Will humans one day colonize the deep sea? Will new discoveries from the trench change medicine, science, or even space exploration? The Mariana Trench reminds us that despite all our technology and knowledge, the Earth still holds secrets waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the planet's greatest mysteries, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what do you think lives in the Mariana Trench. And don't forget to hype this video.